Hello, and it's Jim Tech Buzz. I'm back with the Edifier CC200 headphones, and we'll just actually pop them out here. We have quite a bit of stuff knocking around the office at the moment, but this is one of the new spaces I've made in the house, and this is these guys here. So you would have seen the unboxing already. So these are a simple pair of headphones, designed for your office, for your computer. You can also use on your phone. So I've tested on both, and they work quite well. So they're a hybrid kind of option. Plus you can listen to your music on them as well, which is fine. The music now isn't fantastic right now, but they're not designed for that. But it works. You can control your tracks. We'll show you all that in a minute. And control your calls, all that kind of stuff here. And you've got this retractable mic here. You've got decent battery life as well. You get about 30 hours of call and 60 hours of music, which isn't bad, you know. So for a small headset like this, it's not bad. But then again, you've only one side. That's the only downfall to it, is just having one side. And this is rotatable here, as you can see, like so. You've got a button here, so if you press this button, you can bring up your last call, all that kind of stuff. Up here is your power on and off and pairing, and here is where you can do your volume up and down. So the calls are pretty good. We're going to let you listen to a sample after we show you the controls, and it's a comfortable headset. So all you need to do is just pull this in and out here for the correct fitting. It might feel strange. It's my first time actually to use them with just one on one side, I think, and it just felt odd not having something on both sides, but it works, which is the main thing. So that's pretty cool. Now, another thing to point out with this is you can use on left or right. It's not a fixed setting or a fixed setup. Most of these headphones come with a fixed arm. It will not go both ways, but this one is different. So that's a good point that needs to be called out there as well, and ideal for someone who's picking for choice. This can be used either side, which is a really good option to have, rather than the fixed, which is the most popular kind of headset for at this target market. Typically are. We've tested quite a few of them from a few companies, and they all seem to be just a fixed one. So the arm will only go down on one side and that's it, but this, as you can see, can move on both sides, so it's pretty good. So that's important to note. So it's a pretty cool piece to have there handy. So you can play your music, as I mentioned, which is great. The headset isn't overly loud by any means, but it's loud enough. That's just my take now, you know. I like my music loud and all that kind of stuff be loud, but for calls and all that kind of stuff, it's great, and it's clear enough. Now I have a sample, as I coming up now. There's a bit of background noise as well to kind of let you kind of hear what goes on. I have the dog bark and all that, which is a bit of a nuisance sometimes, but it's real life testing, as they say. So if we pull up our music player, for example, we're going to show you how things go. We just get this on, and let's get playing. So we get the playlist up. Right, so there's our playlist there. So you have your power button here, which also acts as a play and pause button, as you can see there. And you have these two little shiny buttons here, which are easily recognizable, and you can find them blindly as well. So you can control your volume. Just get the screen back up and we press play. You can control your volume on it as well. You can see the bar going up there now, and up and down. So you have down and up, plus and minus, pretty clear as day there. Skip and reverse tracks is just pressing and hold the same thing. Minus is reverse track, you press and hold, and skip is press and hold on the plus, as you can see there, and it works quite perfectly fine. No issues at all. You can also control your calls from here as well, as mentioned, which is basically what you need to do. So that's it in general. It's a simplistic headset to use. It's comfortable, and coming up after the break, I'm going to give you an audio sample from it, and that will be it and the review wrapped up.
Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz, and we're testing the Edifier CC200 wireless mono headset from Edifier with up to 64 hours battery life. So fellas, how was sound your end? Sounds good to us on both ends, having tried calls, and pretty decent.
And finally, this is what it looks like when it's on. So that's it there. Remember, you can use it both sides. You can spin right around like that, and you can have it down there like so. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.